Hi guys, so today is Dad's birthday. I'm sure viewers would love to know how Pastor X celebrates his birthday. Dad doesn't want lechon or cake. What he wants is to spend time with the Dapat Bayan scholars, welcome the new batch, and share his heart with them.
So tara, samahan niyo kami.
You will be an army in the province of Bulacan. This is our place of assignment. We will conquer the province. Iyan ang dahilan ng Dapat Bayan.
After a number of exams and interviews, we're finally welcoming a new batch of scholars.
Dapat Bayan Scholars.
This should be the standard to every scholarship. This is not just about money. This is about values, character, and about nourishing the potential of every young people. This is a very rare opportunity na binibigyan ng Dapat Bayan to fully support a student, and not just a student, but sinabi nga nila, a leader today.
It's so heartwarming to see the scholars be leaders in their own barangays.
Ang matibay na mensahe sa akin ng Diyos ay, pagka tiningnan mo ang muka at ang pangalan ng bawat mahirap, wala ka nang tutulungan. Pero sabi niya, hindi ba ako? Lahat ay gusto kong makarating sa langit. Lahat ay gusto kong mabayaran ng kasalanan. Pero wala akong tinitingnan kasi kung ikaw nga ang titingnan ko, hindi ka karapat dapat. So I understood it. Gusto pa rin ni Lord na mamamigay.
As we're ending this vlog, this is just the tip of the iceberg. He's not one to boast, but as his daughter, I cannot be more proud. I truly hope that this will inspire you guys. So, this is not the end of our vlogs, and I hope you follow us, subscribe, and like.